How did you guys do on Friday's news, NFP, unemployment, and ISM PMI? NFP came out way stronger than expected. Expected was 185K and 570K come out. This was very bullish for USD, as well as unemployment came in slightly lower and ISM PMI came in higher, which all around were good news for USD, which only meant one thing, that crypto and stocks were definitely going down. So I took this opportunity to short BTC and my trade did pretty well. Right now for BTC, I am watching these levels. Also, fear and greed is at 56 and is signaling greed, which means that crypto is due for correction. Today for SP 500, we're of course waiting stock markets to open and see what the reaction is gonna be, as well as we have some big companies reporting their earnings. So keep an eye on that. The only other high impact news from US we have on 10th of Feb. Other than that, keep an eye on Euro and Asia zones, as that might influence USD. Until next one.